So when you're doing energy work, you see how the birds fly over and around the cop shop. So they are spreading the energy, the positive energy and the protection all around the officers. And yeah, they fly over me too. It's pretty awesome. Yes, you can intertwine entities with animals for protection, because animals are automatically positive energy, positive vibration. So they are used for protection and clearing the energy or the area wherever it is needed. So it is done. Have a great, wonderful day. Happy Halloween.